Hello everyone. Today we are making simple, quick and handmade beaded Christmas ornament. For our first ornament, you will need 40 cm of 1 mm golden threads, beads and approximately 25 cm long 3 single ply macrame thread for tassel. Fold the golden thread in half and loop the macrame thread onto it. Tie knot to secure the thread. Add 5 beads. You can use 5 or more beads of any size. I use 16 mm beads in golden, maple and red ribbon prints. Tie a knot above the last bead to secure the bead. Then leave 1 cm gap and tie another knot to create a hanging loop. Cut the 1 mm golden thread approximately 25 cm long. Then comb out the tassels of threads to make a fringe. Wrap it with the golden threads and secure the ends of golden thread with glue. Now trim the ends and it's ready. For second ornament, you will need a colored wooden ring, 1 mm red and white thread and a bead. Cut the red 1 mm thread approximately 25 cm long. Then loop the red thread through the ring as shown in the video. Add the bead and secure it with a knot. I use 16 mm snowflake printed red bead. You can use different size and different color also. Leave 1 mm gap and then tie another knot to create a hanging loop. Now cut 16 to 20 threads of 25 cm length approximately. Now cut another 30 cm long 1 mm red thread and attach this red thread to the other side of the ring and secure it with a knot. Add this red and white thread, attach them to the hanged red thread and secure that with a knot. Wrap the 20 cm long red thread after leaving 1 cm space to the tassel. Apply the glue to the ends of wrapped thread and finish it. Trim the end fringes for giving it a finished look. And it's ready. To make third ornament, you will need 1 mm thread, Christmas beads and ribbon of desired thickness and color. Take 15 cm of 1 mm thread and 12 beads. I have used 16 mm beads of white and golden color. You can choose size of bead and color of the bead according to your preference. String the bead onto the thread. Pass the other end of the thread through the hole of the last bead to form a circular shape. Knot to secure the bead and create a hanging loop. Add a ribbon bow to complete the ornament. And that's it. 3 beautiful, easy to make Christmas ornament to add a unique touch to your holiday decor. Check the description box for all the links and description of this beautiful ornament.